Hello guys, hope you're doing well. If your Wi-Fi options are not showing or your Wi-Fi connections are not showing in your laptop, in this video we are going to fix this issue. So let's start with our first step. Click on your Windows icon, then type services, and here you will see this option services. Click on it. So these are the Windows services you have in your system. Now you have to search for a service called WLAN auto config. So scroll down and here you will see the option, this one, WLAN auto config. Right click on it, then click on properties. So now you have to change the disabled option to automatic. So you have to change the startup type will be automatic, then click on apply, then click on OK. After that again right click on WLAN auto config, then click on start to run this service, and now you can see my Wi-Fi is now working fine. But if you are still getting the same issue, now move on to our next step. Right click on your Wi-Fi icon, then click on this option, open network and internet settings. Now scroll down and you will see this option here, network reset. Click on it. Now simply click on this option, reset now. So this option will reset your network settings only. You can try this option as well. Now move on to our final step. Open the device manager in your laptop. So for that you have to right click on your Windows icon, then click on device manager. Now here you have to find your Wi-Fi driver. So click on this option, network adapters, expand this option, and here you can see this is my Wi-Fi driver, my wireless LAN driver. Right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on update driver, then click on browse my computer, then click on let me pick from. So these are the Wi-Fi drivers I have. Select the latest one, then click on next. So this will upgrade your Wi-Fi driver. Click on close. That's it. After that restart your system and this will fix your issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.